Okay, so this is my 2016 Range Rover Sport that I did a little bit of exhaust modification to, and I think I got it right to where I want it. I've been doing a lot of YouTube reviews, and I wanted something that had a little bit of a bark to it than stock, but also not to have any obnoxious drones. I know there's been quite a few videos on the market that people have just been doing either straight pipes or cat back straight pipe in the from the rear mufflers, simply just deleting that. But I know that has mixed reviews as well, with either some people having drone, others liking it as is. But I didn't want to deal with drone. I just wanted something a little bit more than stock with a little bit of bark. So I think I got it right. I finally got some resonators. These were good quality resonators from Corsa, and I also got some 5-inch tips that I have. I'm going to show you guys. There we go. So these are 5-inch tips that pretty much fit flush. I had the muffler shop pretty much had them welded on. I mean, no, they're not welded on, I'm sorry. They got clamps. And those are my Corsa resonators. The two of them. So original mufflers came off, and I put the Corsa. And I still have my midsection resonators there. There's two midsection resonators on the V8 Supercharged. So I figured I'll just have you guys get a perspective on it. And those are my wheels that I had painted as well. It's actually got an underlay of gold and almost like a blue tint to it. So, but anyway, enough of that. Let me start it up. I mean, I've been running it through the day, so it's kind of warm now, but it's been sitting for a couple of hours. Then I'm gonna start it so you guys can hear it. Okay. That's still the warm-up phase. Just warm up the cats. It's gonna tone down, and then I'm gonna rev it up a little bit so you guys can hear it. Idle has a nice soft tone to it. Nothing that would bore people or get people routed up. I think it's a nice tone to it. that was at 4,000 RPMs. So as I said, no drone. I love it. And just give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you guys think in the comment section. Hopefully you guys like it, or someone might be on the verge of putting something on their Range Rover as well. But I think if you need something with a little bit of sound to it, better than stock and no drone, I think that's a good way to go ahead. Get some nice set of mufflers on the rear. Idling's very smooth. No drone. One thing I love about this car is the interior as well. Hopefully you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, or like. More videos to come with the Range Rover. Thank you.